Ever hear the term work in progress or work in process? Of course you have. If you're in manufacturing, you know exactly what that means. Jobs and work orders on the shop floor right now. Did you know Standard Time has a dashboard for work in progress? It sure does. We call it WIP. So when you hear me say WIP, think work in progress. Let's start with the Home All Views work in progress icon in the Standard Time Cloud site. This dashboard lists all the jobs on the shop floor. These are the ones your employees are working on right now. Recognize these? Of course not, because this is the cloud test site, and these jobs are just examples. But your jobs will show up soon enough. That is, if you're on Standard Time. And how exactly will your jobs show up? Let's go over to the Scan Barcodes page to find out. Your employees will scan barcodes on this page to start and stop timers. Those timers represent jobs in progress. You may have multiple employees on a single job. You may even have whole departments on a single job, or employees working on multiple jobs at once. When employees scan job numbers here, WIP adds it to the list. Older jobs fall off the bottom, newer jobs appear at the top. See how that works? Pretty nice, huh? Think of this as an airport arrivals and departures screen. That's WIP for manufacturing. It always has the latest info. It's always up to date. Some shops display the WIP dashboard on big screen TVs, so everyone on the factory floor can see the most up-to-date status. That's a whole lot better than shouting across the shop floor, "Hey, where's my stupid job?" Instead, everybody just looks up at the big screen, and there it is, your stupid job, right on top. Hey, give WIP a try the next time you're in Standard Time. You'll love it.